Top 6 Best Catalytic Converter Theft Prevention Devices 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. Galvanized steel means serious durability for this CatClamp catalytic converter lock. It's built for serious theft prevention. This device offers excellent resistance against cutting and corrosion. It fits exhaust pipes from 1 3/4 to 3 inches, covering many common vehicle types. Just know it won't work for pipes outside that specific diameter range. For compatible vehicles, this galvanized steel option provides robust protection. Number 2. Robust catalytic converter defense. This genuine cat strap exhaust strap ST1 offers a focused solution as a mount bracket, built for securing your exhaust system. Weighing 3.0 pounds, this is a substantial piece. Its 12.36 by 9.0 by 2.28 inch dimensions give it presence. Remember, this package contains just one item, so assess your vehicle's needs. It's a solid choice for a foundational catalytic converter theft prevention device. Just be ready for a dedicated installation. Number 3. 113 dB loud, wirelessly controlled. The SPARKWHIZ catalytic converter anti-theft alarm delivers serious protection. Its 113 decibel siren is incredibly loud, a major deterrent. Wireless operation and remote control make it convenient. It's waterproof too, so you can rely on it in any weather. Ideal for quick, effective protection. It's a single pack, so for multiple alarm points, you'd need more units. For a straightforward, ear-splitting alarm, this is a solid choice. Number 4. Cuts thick metal fast. These 10-pack, 9-inch bimetal reciprocating saw blades with 14 TPI are built for serious work. That bimetal material is stronger than HCS, giving you longer life when cutting metal. They're universally compatible too, fitting all major saw brands. You'll get fast, straight, effortless cuts on thick sheet metal, pipes, and profiles. Their flexible, thin body resists breaking and shattering. Just know they're designed for metal only. For tough demolition or cutting something like a catalytic converter, these blades are a solid, dependable choice. Number 5. This QuickJack 5000 TL is a compact 110-volt alternative to a 2-post lift. It gives home mechanics 5,000 pounds of ALI-certified lifting power, plugging into any standard wall outlet. You'll control an entire vehicle lift with its 13-foot remote, but critically, you must use it on a flat surface. Over a 3-degree slope isn't safe. For garage or DIY auto repair, this portable car lift is a solid choice if your workspace is level. Number 6. The Pop and Lock Cat Wrap PL9800 features unique security loops. This design creates individual pathways, making it genuinely difficult to defeat. It's all stainless steel too, so corrosion isn't a worry, even in harsh undercarriage environments. Installation is user-friendly, typically under 30 minutes on many vehicles, regardless of converter orientation. Its strength is deterrence, confusing thieves. However, like any security, it won't guarantee absolute immunity. If you need a robust, DIY-friendly catalytic converter security solution, this product offers serious peace of mind. Thanks for watching Best Catalytic Converter Theft Prevention Devices. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.